Chicken. He does this every morning. I'm such a silly little munchkin. Oh God! Not my open mouth! Oh. No. Good morning, chicken. He's like, take me outside, take me outside. It's a happy day. It's a happy day. Time to get changed so that we can take Mr. Chicken on his WA. Besties. My sworn enemy. My walking chicken outfit. I'm so sleepy. What are you doing?
I'm watching your vlog. It's my favorite YouTuber. It's Chicken's favorite YouTuber too.
Every morning for me starts with a Celsius. Not sponsored, but if they ever want to sponsor me. Who is so aerodynamic? I should train you for dog sports.
Celsius.
Rated out of 10. 7. Maybe 7.5. He's so bright. Like an angel behind me.
I would give this like an 8.5. I really like this flavor.
Celsius isn't about flavor to me. It's about pure, raw energy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What are my sugar's plans for today? Clean. Do you have any work to get done?
Not a crazy amount.
The vines wrapping are just so beautiful on the East Coast. I feel like I didn't really see this in California.
Gym time!
Also, Cass is being forced to work out with me today. Did not work out with me today, that they would owe me $50. That's the only way to incentivize them, to rob them. I'm gonna change out of my towel because I'm definitely gonna show you a little bit of tea. If not, do you like my haircut?
Welcome to my bathroom. Every single day that I go to the gym, which is almost every day these days, this is what I do. This toner's just fine. Everyone raved about it. I think it's very light. I personally think I need something a little more milky and hydrating, but I think it's just not for me. And then I apply hyaluronic acid. Then, as that all sits and absorbs, I do body care. I used to take horrible care of my body skin, but ever since I came back from Vietnam and I saw how smooth my relatives' skin were, I was like, wait, maybe I do have the genetic composition to be able to be soft. It's specifically supposed to help with chicken skin or KP. I don't know if you can tell, it's gotten significantly better. Baby, would you say my body is smoother?
Oh yeah.
Usually after that step, the hyaluronic acid has fully absorbed. I got it in Japan and it is a holy grail in the skincare subreddit, and I totally see why. Now I'll go in with a moisturizer. So affordable, it's so moisturizing and makes your skin so bouncy. This guy's the guy for you. I usually put on my fit of the day, so let's go do that. Actually, one of my little cousins was wearing this shirt to a wedding and I was like, where did you get that? I need it. Let's put on the sunscreen. It absorbs into the skin so beautifully and it's so lightweight.
Am I making you a coffee?
Yes, please. Glorious coffee!
Usually I will work until Cass tells me that I have to eat breakfast.
You don't even think about it. Honey, handsome. Cass made me a bagel. We always watch YouTube as we eat breakfast. One of our favorite YouTubers just made a couples Q&A. Welcome to my office. I have a lot of things in store planned for it. And by that I mean Cass is going to make my dreams come true. Cass is getting ready for school right now, so yes. They will be leaving for the rest of the day. The guy needs his second walk of the day already, and I may beg Cass to do that for me because I have a lot of work to do.
He's pissed. He's like, take me out. The styles.
Here's Cass's outfit for their school function. Incredible. His style has been even more immaculate ever since they've come back from Asia.
So now that Cass is gone, I want to show y'all what I'm getting them for our anniversary. So we technically agreed no gifts this year, but I know that Cass is mostly doing that for my benefit because both gift giving and gift receiving, not really in my top love languages. But I know that surprising Cass on our anniversary will make them so incredibly happy. So I'm gonna surprise them with one of their favorite things in the world. Sunny Angels. Man, it's tough because they're sold out of so much. Hopefully I can get footage of them unboxing it on our anniversary. Oh man, I don't even know how many hours it's been. I've been editing for probably like 5 or 6 hours. I should probably eat something. I got some Thai leftovers. Typically, if I wasn't filming, honestly, I would usually like to cook something. But because filming takes so long and today is obviously a filming day, I try to have things meal prepped or I just heat up whatever we have in the fridge or the freezer and that's my lunch. Coffee's calling. Hello?
Hey, baby.
Hi.
So if you were in the mood to have a nosh, dude, the parking here is crazy.
Yeah.
I cannot even tell you. So it's 2-hour limits, but you have to move your car after the 2 hours. Like, you cannot refill the meter here. Isn't that absurd? It's all these fucking Harvard bitches. Love you.
Okay, I love you. Bye. Maybe I won't have to worry about cooking dinner after all. Back to the editing grind. Chicken is starting to cry, which means it's time to take him out. Motherhood is such a sacrificial thing. An official welcome to my kitchen. Honestly, I get so lost in the groove of editing that I so often forget to eat, and I've been trying to be better about that. I have been craving bún thịt nướng like no other. Bún thịt nướng is a grilled barbecue Vietnamese dish. It's this delicious noodle dish with this caramelized pork, and it is divine. We were paying like anywhere from $1 to $3 for it in Vietnam, so it just hurts way too much to order it in America. But we're gonna go ahead and make a big batch, and maybe we'll get to eat it today, maybe not. The marinade is super simple. All you need are shallots. In this case, I'm using red onion because I'm never prepared. The nice thing too is that once the meat is done and you've done all your mise en place, it's super simple. I totally forgot I had this. Bye, my baby. Cass is home. Cass also brought me a burrito.
Waited to eat with you.
Oh my gosh.
I was like, what the fuck kind of place is this? It's called Felipe's.
Wow. This would be considered a wrapped taco in California. This is tiny.
Well, they asked me, they were like, do you want the small or the large burrito? I was like a soda? What is this? There's a standard size. I was
That's
just culture shock.
strange.
I'm so suspicious. Whatever. It's good, fresh, very fresh.
You know what? I was expecting so much worse. To be fair, I completely drenched it in hot sauce, and I think it tasted a lot better because of that. I'm pleased telling you, the Tabasco is doing a lot of the work.
Three horns in here.
He needs them. They're all different.
I've edited until my eyes cannot open anymore, which signals to me that it's bedtime, so I'm gonna will myself to do my skincare. Honestly, I probably won't do it. And I'm gonna go to bed with Cass. Thank you guys so much for watching and for seeing what I do in a day. Honestly, it's just a lot of editing. The words are not working for me anymore, which means that I should go. I'll see you guys in the next one.